Alright, so I'm going to Checkers for some really, really crappy food. I'm going to see if they will return it or give me my money back or whatever. Let's see what happens. It's going to be funny. Let's see what's going on here. Hey. Dude, I bought these from you the other day. This is the roast beef things. I couldn't even put it down.
How long did you buy it?
2 days ago, but I put it in my fridge. I couldn't eat it.
Did you call?
Huh?
Did you call?
No, I just...
Yeah, I can't do anything 2 days later.
Well, I mean, they're unopened. They're just the...
No, what was it? Just two of them?
Yeah.
So you just want to replace?
I guess so. These are the roast beef ones. The new ones.
Yeah, spiral.
It was like a hot dog with...
What happened?
It was like a hot dog with some things on it. I mean, it was terrible. Terrible.
Yeah, well,
Alright, replace it?
Yeah, I'll replace it. Just hold on. Next time, just call, okay?
I will. I'm gonna get it replaced. Look at that. I mean, it really was terrible. So, I'm gonna get it replaced. I guess it was just make it better. I guess, right? I mean, I don't know. So I'm gonna get it replaced. Probably gonna spit on it. Who knows what's gonna really happen here? But I tried, you know, and I did my thing. And listen, if you buy something from a fast food place and you're not happy with it, you should be able to go back to it and either get your money back, throw it out. I don't know. We'll see. I hope these are better. I really would rather have a burger and fries or something, but it's gonna replace it. You know, this is what happens. Don't let the man bring you down. If you don't like your sandwich, you bring it back. You tell him, look, I got a bad sandwich. I don't really like it. You didn't even know it was in the bag. Could have been a bag of poop. So, this is a lesson for everyone out there. You buy something and you're not happy with it, go back. Go back to the place. Say, hey, look, I don't like it. This happened to me in Deer Park too. They gave me a bunch of coupons. Corporate called me up, was like, you know, what's up? And the lady had a really bad attitude about it too. So she got fired. Pick 5. I should have probably just got a burger and some fries. I never do this, but it was just so bad. Let's see what happens here. We're waiting. Am I a J-hole? I don't know. I could be. You know. You gotta stand up. You gotta stand up for yourself, you know. Sometimes, and you know, it cost them $25 to make it, so it's not like they're losing money. But I just want to make a point. Made my point. I'm gonna get my food. Who do I call up? It's like you should just call up. What do I call up? Who am I gonna call? I'm gonna call corporate office, or who would I even call? Is there a phone number out here? I hope they don't spit in my food. I don't even know if I want this. I'm gonna probably wind up giving it to a homeless person. Jeff Dean likes to stand up for the man. He likes to make sure that everyone's going to be, you know, taken care of. We're all trying to make America great again. And in order to do that, got to start off small, you know. A place like Checkers. Go in there and say, look, I'm not happy with my food. I want to get replacement. taking a long time. Probably spitting on it. Guy probably went in the back, took a big dumper. He's gonna throw a load on top of it. I'm gonna have to check it. Anyway, we'll see what they say when they come back. I want to talk to them. I said, listen, I'm sorry, but you know, if you're unhappy with what you have, you should. It's taking a long time. It's 5.5 minutes. I'm here at the Ronkonkoma store on Foster and Portion Road. They're making it right now. Doesn't even look good. It looks like doesn't even look like roast beef. Look, she's making a face. See that? She's making a face. Getting a spit burger. That's what I'm getting. Big old spit burger. Spit burger coming up. It's taking a while. Gonna be good. Maybe they're gonna give me some coupons. You know what I'm saying? Alright, he's got the bag. He's getting ready to put in the bag. Maybe he's gonna give me some free fries or something. And the lady smiled at me. You know, it's weird. It's weird to do this, but you know, you gotta stand up for your. What's that? Dude, I never do this, and I'm, you know, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Thank you. You too, bro. See, what a nice guy. Nice guy. Alright, so we got the food. Now, we're ready to get eat it. Let's see.